Well, there today, lads, we're going to be working with the zippo lighter from the wick I had made there in the last video. To start, I'm going to disassemble the entire lighter. Now I'll just unscrew this here. Let the flinch come out. Now there's cotton wool inside there, lads. That is for the zippo lighter fluid here. And don't go fucking messing with that because it basically is petrol. Right, I'm going to get my pliers here. Take out the old wick. Don't you cunt. Right now, that's the old wick there, lads. Burnt up the fucking shit. Now I'm going to put, there's a little hole there which the wick has to go through the inside. Now lads, these are homemade wicks and they're fucking better than the stuff you buy in the store. I can tell you that for a fact. So push it through, and be careful, lads, pushing it through because it can sometimes get to be a cunt to push through. Right, bring it up so far, lads, and you can see I brought it up so far. Now put back in the cotton wool, because if you don't put in the cotton wool, you're going to burn yourselves, lads. You're going to be covered in petrol and you're going to explode. And I don't think you want that now, lads. Right, I'm going to put in a new flinch and all into it. Now lads, these flinches are about, I paid less than €2 for a packet of 6. For fuck's sake. I'm going to put it in. Now the flinches go into this here, that thing there. The screws go on, and you put back on the cover here. Now this through, screw her up. Now make sure she's tight enough now, lads. Right, and here's the petrol or zippo lighter fluid or whatever you want to call it. Open this stuff. Make sure it doesn't spill on you, lads, because you'll be in shit if it does. And you're there trying to light the lighter. You light yourselves. Now, my little trick to get these new wicks going is put a bit of lighter fluid onto the wick. See the size of the flame, lads? That's what you call a fucking flame. Right, good luck, lads.